Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Mike Hurd.
Strong gusty winds preceding a strong surface cold front. It continues to rip across most areas of Montana, but the strongest wind gusts are east of the Continental Divide along the Rocky Mountain front. Out here in the upper Yellowstone regions and wind-prone areas like around Whitehall, they're seeing gusts around 30 to 40 miles per hour. So here's the setup. We got a high-pressure ridge to our south, a very warm westerly flow, and now an approaching cold front, and all of it's clashing. So it's producing some stiff surface winds across the entire region. But this area highlighted in orange could have gusts over 60 miles per hour up until about midnight tonight, and there are advisories out for the Butte area and in Livingston. But the bigger issue comes after midnight when that cold front moves in, starting to produce some rain. Then that rain changes over to snow. So south of this line, like Butte, for example, could see around 1 to 3 inches. But up around McDonald Pass, there could be 2 to 4, or even possibly up to 5 to 9 inches of snow of accumulation out on Kings Hills Pass, and maybe even on the Boulder Hill. So right against the Rocky Mountain front and Continental Divide, that's the area that's going to be under the gun for some heavier snow banding. But you can see everything changes from rain to snow, and by the time we get up in the morning, there's going to be some off and on bands moving through the region. So a little blast of winter's coming in and a huge drop in temperature. We could be a good 30 to 40 degrees cooler tomorrow afternoon compared to today. Sunday will be even colder, but it's going to be on the drier side. Just be prepared for some wintry travel impacts as rain changes to snow, and area roadways that are wet could be freezing up because we're expecting not only snow but colder temperatures, and that's going to cause some travel headaches similar to what we saw on Wednesday. 63 right now in Butte under mostly sunny skies, a stiff southwesterly wind. 65 was the high today. 65 right now on the MSU campus. Almost 70 degrees here today for high, and right on target for an overnight low of 29. 40s, 60s, and 70s right here in southwest Montana, but the entire state has warmed up significantly ahead of this cold front. So tonight, that all changes because once the cold air moves in, we will see rain changing to snow and still some gusty winds. Even tomorrow, winds are out of the north, 10 to 20 miles per hour, so that's going to add a bit of a cooling. Throw the numbers right out the window because I think our high will be a little after midnight tonight, and it's just going to continue to slide pretty much into the entire day for tomorrow. So again, rain changing to snow. It will be colder. There'll be gusty winds, picking up some accumulating valley and mountain snow showers overnight and throughout the day tomorrow. And I don't expect a lot of that to melt off. Now, as you look at the extended forecast, staying well below normal. Even colder highs and lows are expected now into the first half of next week. Another little shot of snow on Monday, then creeping our way back up into the mid-40s by Halloween. But it's going to take most of the week to start to see those numbers moderate even just a little bit. For Butte, got a long duration cold snap here too, much cooler than normal beginning tomorrow, but only in the 20s Sunday and Monday, and trying to work our way back up in the lower 40s by Thursday and Friday. Dillon, chance for snow and cold and wind tomorrow. A few more snow flurries with another little shot of precipitation on Monday. And you too have planned colder highs and colder lows in West Yellowstone. Could have several nights in a row where you're down there around zero or even slightly below, in teens and 20s for highs. So quite a contrast in the weather pattern, going from almost 70 today to snow tomorrow.
All right, thanks, Mike. Coming up next in sports with Nick Petriccioni, we're going to gear up for the Hawks and Friday night football.